Hey everybody, and welcome to the next 3 ways in Flame. Now this one's going to be on 3 ways to apply matchboxes inside of Flame. So this is just going to go over really briefly where we can apply matchboxes in Flame. So I'm just jumping into batch, and again I've just got my PAL bars here. Now the first way is just through batch, which a lot of you are used to. We have our matchbox tab, so we could just pull out a matchbox, and that's one way to apply. The second way is if we just go to all nodes and press M and pull out the matchbox node. This will take us to the default ones, or we can scan for our other guys. But again, that's still just the one way really, because that's referring really to the batch way. Now the second way is through action. So if we add a new input and just look at the results of this guy and just go to schematic, we can add matchboxes again that are identical to the batch ones, but these guys live in action. So again, I'll just pull out the blur and you see it applies a diffuse. That's the one difference in action when you apply a matchbox. It's pre the stuff that's going on here. But again, I'm just gonna, you can see we can use matchboxes here. Now the third way is again the old school way. If we go to plugins, and that's just like you would load a Spark or something, but just doing the matchbox loader from here. So if we just picked input 1 and then 2 and then rendered here, you see we have our matchbox here that again can be applied if you want to use the old tools. Now there is actually another way. If I just open this and just go to timeline, which is as a timeline effect. So if I press effects and then matchbox, you see we can browse for, let's choose whatever we like, and then if we press that, and we're in our controls for our matchbox. Now there is one more way, which might be a different topic, but still worth knowing. If we're in trim mode and we just select, you can always apply matchbox 2 as a transition. So I'm just going to press that. I'm going to select that and press matchbox. If it's going to let me, it won't let me. I'll try it here. Matchbox, there we go. And you'll see it takes you not to the default transition guy, but if we go to transition, you can see there's a bunch of transitions. So there's 4 or 5 ways to apply and use matchbox inside of Flame. So that's it for this one, guys. Stay tuned for more.